Yeah, stealing? Who said stealing, girl?
Like when you rub, it's going to say, oh.
All right, best friend, where we going? Where we going, best friend?
We are going to, like, what is it? Where are we going? We are getting Christmas decorations. So we are getting white, black, and we are going to Walmart first, then the other stores. Then we are going to go to Walmart because we are checking if there's like decorations there because there's long lines.
Listen, Ree, you be already be knowing how to explain herself on these vlogs, y'all. She be breaking it all the way down, and she gave you guys basically the colors that I wasn't gonna say. But anyway, when I tell you that girl be breaking it down, she be breaking it on down. You breaking it down, homie. All right, let's roll, best friend. You ready to go? She my best friend. She don't need no at her own. Also, we need to do like a quick prayer because every time I come in this Walmart right here, they don't never have enough people like at the cash registers. This Walmart, and it's only this one. It's only this one. This one right here be slacking. So I'm gonna pray that they at least got more than 2 people at the cash register. So we gonna see. We gonna see. Get up.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, girl.
This looks beautiful.
That is beautiful. The skirt for the Christmas
Ooh,
tree.
I want that for my room.
You want one of those for your room?
Yeah.
Okay.
For Christmas.
Probably get one for your room or for Tony's room?
Yeah.
Alright, so this goes underneath the tree. What do you think? You like that one?
Yeah. How about this? I think this looks beautiful in the blue. There's white right here, but there's no black. No. White.
Yeah.
It's blurry.
Ooh.
You want it?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this one.
Okay. Then. How about Reed?
Ooh, we got a black and white one.
Black and white?
Look.
Ooh, I like that one better.
We should get 2 of them, both of them.
Oh, yeah. I think.
Or should I just get 2 black and white ones?
How do we get 2?
Or should I get 2 of these since it's got black, white, and silver in it?
Let's get 2 of those for now. Because if it has another Christmas, we can have this one.
Alright, you guys, so I found this. Have a holly jolly Christmas tree skirt. And it's velvet. So I think I'm going to end up getting this. It's good, right? Yeah, I had something now. I'm out of breath. I'm like, I almost couldn't get my lips off of it. It's so good. It's nice and cold and refreshing. So how'd you like shopping at Walmart? They didn't have a lot of bulbs.
Yeah, but I like that unicorn tree because that looks beautiful. Or I like that golden tree.
You like the golden tree?
Yeah, for next year, how we get that one.
Oh, Ari, you know what you didn't tell them?
What?
You pulled out your tooth. They didn't get to see it. Show. Y'all, Ari pulled that out by herself.
I like bend it really, really hard. Then it comes out. Then blood keep coming out a lot. Mommy.
Are you tipping?
You're the best.
You the best.
This is funnest thing. I'm not bored.
Good. All right, you guys. So we went to Walmart, and unfortunately, they didn't have like too many options with the ornaments and stuff like that. I mean, it was good. They did have some cute little things over there, but I think it's best that we make our way over to Hobby Lobby. Because you know what I'm saying, they're a little bit more organized and stuff like that. But then again, I'm telling you guys, I don't think it's all Walmarts. I just think it's this Walmart. This Walmart that they just be slack as hell. They just be slack, you guys. So yeah, I'm getting ready to head over to Hobby Lobby where they're a little bit more organized, and we'll have like, the reason why I like going there, you guys, because it's very hold on, let me put my seatbelt on. Put my seatbelt on. You put my seatbelt on.
Because you might get arrested.
Right, nobody wants to go to jail.
But I can do this. I can't be
So you guys, I'm gonna get ready to go to Hobby Lobby. And the reason why I like going there, you guys, is because depending on the type of theme that you want to do with your Christmas tree, they have an aisle specifically for that freaking theme. So I haven't been there since the whole COVID thing started, so I'm really hoping that they're fully stocked and ready to go, you guys. But fingers crossed that they have, you know, everything that we might want and need there for our little Christmas tree. Since my Christmas tree is basically not a flock Christmas tree, I'm gonna do like a DIY, like impersonated flock tree. I'm gonna make it flocked, okay? It's gonna be flocked today. So, because as you guys know, whenever you buy a flock Christmas tree, it's a little bit more money in the pocket, and that we don't have. So I went ahead and I got some fake snow. I'm gonna spray it on there, and the spots that I want it to be on there, we're gonna make the Christmas tree nice and white, and it's gonna look flocked. And yeah, that's it, you guys. So I'm gonna pull you guys back up. I'm gonna concentrate on this road, and let's go ahead and head over to Hobby Lobby. Yes! They don't have any big ones though, like huge ones. I want like the big, no, I want the big ones.
But these are the only ones.
They're right there, down here. I see them, right there.
Oh, let's get them.
Get it.
Yeah. Okay. Let me put the cameras in here.
Yeah, let's see what they're looking like. Ooh, those some big bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your tree for your room, you could decorate it these colors.
I want this color and this color for my room.
For your room.
What's that, Mommy?
Alright, you guys, so we just left Hobby Lobby. Let me just tell y'all real quick. Let me just tell y'all. Them deals, 50% off. So if you guys have not checked out Hobby Lobby, no, this video is not sponsored, but you already know I'm trying to put y'all up on some game. But y'all, I walked out only spending $29. $29. Whoop, whoop. I'm telling y'all, your girl knows how to, you know what I'm saying, ball on a budget, ball on a budget. But yeah, y'all, $29. When I saw that total, I had a big smile on my face, y'all. I was like, dang, I could have, you know what I'm saying, got like a couple more things out of there. But you know what I'm saying, I don't want to go too crazy. I don't want to go too crazy. So, yeah. So yeah, you guys, well, me.
Stealing stuff.
Yeah, stealing? Who said stealing, girl?
Like when you drop, it's going to say, oh.
Who robbing?
Who's
I still stuff and robbing.
back again? Why?
Oh, you mean why we came back?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I get. She mean like if we come back, they're gonna think we're gonna try and rob the joint. You know what I'm saying? But no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, you guys, gonna go grab a bite to eat. I think Michael said that they want to do like KFC chicken. I don't think I'm doing that. I think I'm gonna run to the store. I'm gonna make this like a quick meal, a quick wham bam thank you man. That man just came out of the goddamn bushes. All right, so the least I could do is show you guys all that we got, and then I might do another vlog with me actually putting it all together on the tree. But I got this nice velvet, y'all. Look, you see the fabric? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Got this nice velvet tree skirt for the tree. And if you look at this, you guys, it's shaped like a Christmas tree, and it says "Have a holly jolly Christmas." So I might go ahead and put that on the tree right now, cause you know what I'm saying, she's looking a little bit naked. And I decided to get these black. This is how I'm gonna put them up on the fireplace. I'm gonna do black, white, or white, black. You guys get it. It's gonna be a pattern. You know what I'm saying? That's what we got going on. You know. And at Hobby Lobby, you guys, since they have like 50% off, you guys, look at these. I got some matte black Christmas balls. Another pack of matte black. Then I got these really like glittery, like it's like a navy color, so it's really beautiful. And then I got some glittery black balls. And don't forget, you guys, the reason why these are just a little addition, because we actually still have white and silver in the garage from last year. So I'm gonna incorporate all that. It's gonna tie into all this right here. And then I got some of these, which, oh my God, I might have to not put this on my carpet because glitter is hard to get out. But look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Hit that bell. Hit that bell.
That glitter everywhere.
Yeah, don't be putting glitter everywhere. You like it, Tony?
Yep.
Yeah? You like these colors that we got going on? Huh?
This is more like a fern.
There you go. It's more like a fern. There you go, fern. And that's more like a fern with like a plant, like a
Yeah,
leaf.
I forgot
on
what
it.
it's called.
Yeah.
I learned about it last year.
You see it. You see it. You can just put it right there because I'm probably gonna do the tree tomorrow. All right, you guys. So we have it. Look, that is our Christmas skirt. Looks so good. That looks beautiful, right? All right, you guys, so I know what I said. I know exactly what I said, you guys, but psych! I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the Christmas tree, you guys, today. I got my husband to basically get the rest of my ornaments from out the garage. So, you know, so your girl's gonna go in. I'm about to start this decorating process, you guys. Let's go ahead and get started on decorating this Christmas tree. Yeah. Hey, you guys, so basically what I'm gonna do right here, me and Ari, we're gonna, all right, don't spray the, let me move that chair. What we're gonna do, you guys, we're gonna create our own flock Christmas tree, because like I told y'all, flock Christmas trees are a lot. Oh, you gotta shake it like this. You gotta shake it. You gotta shake the can. It's a lot of money, you guys, so we're gonna create our own. I'm gonna show you guys, you know what I'm saying, get you a little bit of spray now, and we're gonna make our own little flock Christmas tree ourselves. Y'all gonna see. You see it white right now? You see a little white patch. I gotta make sure Ari don't spray. Ari, don't spray the lights. Let's get started, y'all. I'm gonna have to, I can't talk to y'all. All right, don't spray the lights. All right, you guys, so here we go. We are going to get ready and get started on decorating this tree, you guys. I'm going to continue to let the music play, so sit back, relax, and let's decorate together, you guys. And stay tuned because you're going to want to see the outcome of this Christmas tree. You guys, it's tops, hands down, my best tree so far. All right, you guys, so I just want to give you guys a quick little update. So we decided to change the stripe black and white, and we decided to just go ahead and go with all black ribbon around the tree, you guys. It just looks so much better like that. Plus my husband pointed out, and I was seeing that on the video because I felt like it just looked like one little line, and then like the other ones just didn't, you know what I'm saying, like pop as much as the black. So yeah, if you guys noticed that, yo girl, you didn't show us the change of that, I just went ahead and changed those out real quick. So yeah, that's why it's looking like that. And voila, you guys, the Christmas tree is done. It is complete, and I must say she is so beautiful. I really love the theme that we decided to go with this year. I hope that you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and leave a comment down below. And I will see you all in my next vlog. Bye.